In this video, I'm going to show you how to export one or more sample submissions for new samples on desktop. Starting from the home page, you can look up at the top level navigation under the sample item. Hovering over samples will create a drop-down menu, and you can either select new samples or diagnosed within 7 days. Let's click on the new samples item. This screen, the new sample screen, provides a list of all of the unviewed samples. Once a sample is viewed, however, it is automatically removed from the new samples list. And what's really great about this feature is that the columns within the new samples list may be rearranged. They can be sorted, filtered, unneeded columns may be hidden, and all of this can be performed by clicking on the drop-down arrow icon from any of the columns. So there are hyperlinks within the new sample list. The hyperlinks are highlighted in blue, and when you click on these, it will display details for the items selected. And if you want to see more than 10 items per page, you can change this at the bottom of the screen. And you can customize this a little bit further. If we look over to the right-hand side of the screen, there's a section here called Further Actions. If we hover over the button called View Samples List and select the drop-down button, you can see option displays for companies, units, and compartments lists. Once you've selected a number of samples, export options may be selected within the Further Actions menu over here on the right-hand side. If all samples are to be exported, there's no need to select each page. There is an All option that you can select. And finally, select the desired format from the drop-down menu. And that's how to export sample submissions.